linear combination of Hermitian operator will be also Hermitian. Okay. Linear combination of Hermitian operator will be Hermitian. Okay. If you take the linear combination of the Hermitian operators, okay, that will be also Hermitian. Okay. Linear combination mean let's suppose O is alpha or O? Alpha? Alpha is more, but as okay. If we take the linear combination, yes, QP? No, QP is not general. Alpha, beta, gamma, RO operator, whatever you are interested. Okay, so this is linear combination. Okay. Okay, C1, O1, C2, O2, okay, this is the linear combination. What is this linear combination of operator? Oh, I have written O. Okay, okay. And not written alpha. That is too far. Okay, and that's up to you. Alpha, right? Alpha, O. Okay. So, operators. These are the numbers, and n equal to 1, 2, 3, n. Okay. O are in combination operators. These are the Hermitian operator. Okay, Hermitian operator. O(n). Okay, there are n numbers of Hermitian operator. M numbers of Hermitian operator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how we will prove that? As we have already done. That will be sandwiched between them. Okay. And if it is applied on cat, okay, I think green is not good, blue is good. Okay, if I apply on the cat, then this will be equal to O yes, this will be equal to this, and if it is applied on a bra, then what will be happen? If it is applied on bra, then what will be happen? Yes. I equal to 1 to n, Cn means C1 O1 plus C2 O2. Okay. Okay. Yeah. On This O, size of O is, okay. This O is applying on this and this, and when it apply on bra, this will be Hermitian conjugate. There must be Hermitian conjugate. Okay. 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 This is summation. Okay. When you take the Hermitian conjugate, in summation order is not changed. Okay. In multiplication order change. The C is constant number. Okay. These are C is not matrices. Okay. So this will be I equal to 1 to n. Okay. Cn, that will be complex conjugate. That may be a complex or real. Okay. Number may be a real or a complex. Okay. Okay. And O and Hermitian operator. But O is all O's are Hermitian. So okay. ON. If you consider the linear combination in complex form, then it will be not Hermitian. Yes, because here is the complex conjugate on the C. Okay. Okay. If the C numbers are complex numbers, they will not Hermitian. Okay. But for C n is real, means C conjugate is equal to C. Okay. For real C, linear combination usually we take the as a real. Okay. But if that is complex, then that will be not a Hermitian. Okay. So oh, okay. This 1 and 2 both are equal. Both are equal. 1 and 2. Sorry. N equal to 2. What was the n equal to 1 to m? Equal to 1 to m. Please correct it. N equal to. Okay. 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 Got it? Yes.